YouTube versus Facebook. Where to start your online business and which platform is better. Now, what I want to do in today's video is something completely different than I normally do. Normally I talk about how to make money online, showing you different strategies, different techniques, giving you different tips. Today I want to do a similar thing. However, I want to address which platform is better, which social media site is better for a beginner to start their online business. Is it YouTube or is it Facebook? We're going to address that right now. Now I can tell you right now, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all very good places to start your online business. However, there are, in my opinion, better places. Okay? YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, there's an order that you should follow when it comes to starting your online business, in my opinion. And in today's video, we're going to talk about that. So let me explain what I mean. The very first thing that we need to address is which platform has more potential. Is it YouTube or is it Facebook? Which one? So when it comes to potential, which platform has more potential, right? Is it YouTube or is it Facebook? Let's address both. YouTube. When it comes to YouTube, how much potential do you have? Well, the nice thing about video is most people are now watching more video than they are watching or listening to or looking at or interacting with posts. So what that means when it comes to YouTube and Facebook is YouTube is going to win that every single day. Now, Facebook has, since YouTube has started to gain a little bit more traction, has started to implement more video. They are pushing for video as opposed to static posts. So because of that, Facebook is gaining some traction. But when it comes to potential, when it comes to reaching a larger audience, where do you have more potential? Is it YouTube or Facebook? In my opinion, YouTube wins that hands down. Here's the reason why. The reason why YouTube wins the potential category is simple. YouTube is a search engine. Facebook is day-to-day interaction. If you don't see something on Facebook today, you may never see it. On YouTube, if you don't watch a video today that was just released today, will you be able to see it later on? Yes, you can, because it's a search engine. Facebook, most people do not use that, do not use the search function on Facebook. So because of that, the potential, the long-term potential goes to YouTube. Facebook's still great for short-term sales, for short-term income, for short-term growth, but when it comes to actual potential, long-term growth, long-term sales, long-term potential, YouTube wins that hands down. Now, let's talk about time frame. What do I mean by time frame? What I mean by time frame is how quickly can you start a YouTube channel or a Facebook page and make sure you're making some money. What's the time frame behind that? Okay? Let me explain this. YouTube, okay? For a time frame, YouTube, you have to record the video, you upload the video, you wait for some traffic, hopefully you get some sales, right? YouTube, for a decent income, when I say decent income, I'm talking about anywhere between $1,000, maybe $3,000 per month. You're looking at anywhere from 1 to 3 months, okay? 1 to 3 months. On Facebook, that exact scenario, between $1,000 and $3,000, that's going to take you anywhere from, let's say, 1 to 2 months, okay? Here's the reason why, okay? And you probably already understand this, but which one won here? It would be Facebook, okay? Now, now I love Facebook, I love Instagram, I love YouTube, I love all social media sites, but here's the reason why I think Facebook wins in the time frame category. Because what we can do, we can go directly to a person on Facebook. We can message them directly. And we can get in front of them instantly, quickly. YouTube, we can't actually do that. And here's how it works. On Facebook, we go to Facebook, we go join a group or a page, and we go find somebody that commented or made a post, and we click on their name, and then we go and click on send message or send direct message, whatever, and we send them a message and we promote our product, or we help them out, we engage with them a little bit, and then we go and send them an affiliate link, right? And we can make money on day one. We could easily make $1,000 in the first couple days or in the first week. We can do that. I know for a fact because I've done it. Okay? But can you do that on YouTube? Yes, you can. Is it as easy as just posting more videos and hoping a bunch of people come and watch? No, not really. You can easily do messages on Facebook, and they could all be automated. They could all be pre-written messages. You can't do the same thing on YouTube. So when it comes to time frame, if you're short on time, if you need money today, Facebook is going to win the time frame category. Okay? So right now, we got 1 point YouTube, 1 point Facebook. Let's talk about the difficulty of the platform. Which one is going to win this? You probably already know this. This is probably one of the reasons why you haven't tried making money on one of those two platforms, is because it's a little bit harder. You have to learn a certain skill. What's that skill? Probably editing, right? So right now, I can tell you probably already know this without even guessing. Difficulty of the platform, which one wins this? It's going to be Facebook, hands down. The reason why I say Facebook is because you can copy someone's post, you can take a picture off of Google, whether it's ethical or not, you can still do it. You can even take a YouTube video, post it over to Facebook, and you have a post. You have a starting point where people can engage, people can talk to you, you can comment inside the comment section, you can go back and forth, really help somebody out. And in the end, you can send them a message and promote a product. Promote an affiliate link, promote a course, promote a service, and you can make money. You can start your online business that way. The problem is, with YouTube, every single video has to be recorded, uploaded, or published and uploaded, right? So, in order to record a video, you need a camera. Whether you have a camera or not, doesn't matter, okay? You have a phone, probably you have a computer, maybe it has a webcam. You can use that. But the problem where most people get stuck is they don't like their face. They don't like their voice. They don't like the way they look on camera. And they do not know how to edit a video. Two things that stop most people from ever starting an online business. So this is the reason why YouTube can't win in the difficulty of platform, because it is more difficult. Now, down below this video, I'm going to put two links. The first link that I'm going to show you how to make $500 per month by creating one single YouTube video. Okay, it's a free training. It's about 20 to 30 minute long training video. You can watch it anytime you want to. Go and get it. All you gotta do is put your name and email address, and I'll send it directly to you. The next link that I'm gonna put, I have a monthly membership group. It's called the Homemade Affiliate Academy. Okay, normally it's a $25 per month membership group. I'm gonna give you a discount code. Okay, I'm gonna bring this $25 per month group down to $7. I'm going to give you an $18 discount code down in the description box below. So if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, okay, and other sites as well, go and check that out. Okay, go and see what it's all about. Go and see why. I highly recommend it. If you want to learn affiliate marketing, if you want to make money 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, make money on autopilot, go and check out the Homemade Affiliate Academy, because I show you how to do that there. So, the ease of income. What does that mean? What I mean by ease of income is how much work do you have to put in to make some money? How much work? What do you have to do in order to make some money? With YouTube, okay, when it comes to ease of income, you create one video. Let's say it ranks for whatever keyword you are trying to target. Cool. On Facebook, you do one post. One person sees it. They don't do anything about it. They just see it, okay? It says seen. People saw it. Great. That's wonderful. Let's say you have 100 people, right? 100 people that saw that post. Out of the 100 people that saw it, 2 people commented. Out of those 2 people that commented, you send both of them a message, okay? So you wait for them to see it. You wait for them to comment. You send both of them a message, or you interact in the comment section. And so what happens there is now you're kind of on their radar. You guys are both talking back and forth. So you created the post, you're waiting for the views, you're waiting for people to see it, you comment, it takes you a little bit, 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes, whatever it takes to interact with those people. This is the reason why, for ease of income, YouTube is going to win that. Because you can create a video, and by doing your research beforehand and creating a video based on a topic, based on a keyword that you can easily rank for on your channel, by doing that, what happens is people come here daily. People come here 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You never have to do a single thing. On Facebook, you have to continue to create new posts, create new comments, engage with people, send them messages in order to have them click your link, whether it's an affiliate link, a product, course, service, anything, whatever you're trying to sell, right? So when it comes to starting your online business, which platform is better when it comes to ease of income? It's YouTube. And in my opinion, it's YouTube by a long shot. Now, let's address the risk factor. And I say this because a lot of people think it's social media. There's no risk. Okay, Facebook's free, YouTube's free. So really there's no risk involved in either one of these platforms. Here's where you're wrong. Okay, and this is where you're really wrong. And a lot of people don't know this if they haven't ever started a business online using one of these platforms. But here's the reason why both of these have some risk. Okay, let me explain this before I choose a winner. So out of these, let's talk about YouTube. What's the risk on YouTube? The risk on YouTube is, number one, you can get your video deleted. Let's say it doesn't have something that Facebook or YouTube wants on their platform. They'll delete your video. Or they'll say, no, we're not gonna show this to people. It's not suitable for kids. We're not showing it to kids, right? Or they're not gonna give you any advertising income because they can't advertise to kids. It's just not kid friendly. Or there's a bunch of kids in the video, right? So all because of that. YouTube, that's the risk there. Or people can not watch your video. People can dislike it and it just tanks, okay? There could be a copyright issue, and because of that copyright issue, you don't get any of the ad revenue, right? So those are some of the risks. When it comes to Facebook, what are some of the risks there? Well, you can get your page, your personal page, a business page, you can get a group, everything completely deleted off Facebook. I know this for a fact because I got several pages deleted just a few months back. And the hard part was I couldn't do anything about it. I couldn't recover any of the stuff that I had there. Okay? The groups were gone, the pages were gone, everything gone, deleted, like it never existed. Okay? So that's one of the risks. The other risk is with Facebook, people just don't like your stuff. Same thing happens with YouTube. They just don't like your stuff. So what happens there? They just go and they're gone. They click on something, say, they don't want to see anything from this user or whatever like that. Or they say, okay, I was part of this group. I'm just going to leave this group. I'm never going to come back. I don't care for it anymore. They're gone. The other issue is with Facebook, if you're in a group or a page, okay, personal or business, one of the things that can happen is the other members of that group or page can message the other members of that group or page. And because of that, if somebody is in there, and again, one bad seed can ruin everything. But if one person's in there just spamming the group, and you don't realize this or you don't catch it, what could happen is all the people that they're spamming could get, they could get scammed out of money. They could just hate that they keep getting messages from this person. So what happens? They unfollow you. Okay? They just don't want to see anything from your group or page anymore. They're done. Okay? They unjoin. So because that's one of the other risks, is it's not just on you, it's on the people that are actually inside your group or page as well. So because of that, there's a lot of risk there. Okay, so which one has the least amount of risk and the highest upside? Okay, the highest potential, like we talked about, is YouTube. The least amount of risk is also YouTube. With YouTube, you can create a bunch of different accounts. Facebook, you can do the same thing. But here's what I've noticed, is a bunch of the accounts, if they're the same, they're owned by the same, main person, that's where I saw a lot of my accounts get shut down. Okay, with YouTube, you can create, your YouTube channels under the same, main account, or you can change it up. Again, the same thing you do on Facebook. It's a lot easier here though. Okay, I have over 30 YouTube channels. I have more Facebook pages, groups as well. Okay, but I have over 30 YouTube channels. I've never had a YouTube channel get deleted. I've never had a video get deleted that I couldn't get back. Okay, maybe that's just the way I create videos. I have no idea. I don't use a lot of music. I don't do much copyright stuff. Okay, so because of that, I think that's where I've been safe. So right here, which one is better? Okay, which one's the best platform to start your online business? Which one? Okay, you can see here, YouTube is winning 3-2. So you'd assume that YouTube would be the best platform, right? Here's what I recommend. If you are just starting out, okay, you want to do YouTube, you also want to do Facebook, okay, if you're just starting out. But if you also are just starting out, you want to spend more time on YouTube than on Facebook, okay? If you have a little bit of money, you don't have a lot, you don't have any money to invest, I'd recommend, okay, you do both of these platforms. So here's what I recommend you do. Let's say you have 10 hours a week, okay? You have 10 hours a week in order to put into your business, right? I'd recommend 6 hours goes into YouTube, 4 hours goes into Facebook, okay? 3 to 2, right here, 3 to 2, okay? If you have 20 hours, I'd recommend 12 hours goes into YouTube, 8 hours goes into Facebook. The reason why I say this, and again, you're probably thinking there's a clear-cut winner between YouTube and Facebook. Is there a clear-cut winner? There's a winner, it's YouTube, but is there a clear-cut winner? You should do this one over that one? No, you should do both. If you have, let's say, 5 hours a week, 3 hours should go to YouTube. 2 hours should go to Facebook. Okay? Whether it's you're just interacting in other people's groups, you're creating your own group, creating your own page, just interacting with friends, family, your community, whoever, okay? Your network. You want to build something. You want to build an audience. You want to build a following. The best way to do that is to use both of these. Because I can tell you right now, on YouTube, I can say, hey, go and join my free, Facebook group. I'll actually put a link down below. I do have a free Facebook group where we talk about doing affiliate marketing through YouTube. I'll put a link to that. It's absolutely free. It is private. Okay, so you have to request to join. I'll put a link to that. And so one of the things you can do with YouTube is I can say, hey, go and join my group. On Facebook, I can say, hey, go and watch this video. Go and subscribe. Okay, so there are benefits to both. But what you need to understand is YouTube is the winner, but you need to stick with both of these platforms. If you want to have the most growth, the most potential, make the most money, then you need to use both of these. Both of these are huge. The amount of people on both of these platforms, okay, it's crazy. The amount of money you can make, it's insane. So if you want to make more money, if you want to become, famous on Facebook, famous on YouTube, whatever, okay, do both. I guarantee you're going to have more success as long as you're spending more time on both of these platforms. So, if you've been wondering, where should I start my online business? I'm new, I don't know exactly what to do. What do you recommend? Again, I recommend YouTube and I recommend Facebook. If you have questions on any one of these things, let me know. You can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. But if you enjoyed today's video and you plan on using what you just learned to start your online business, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.